Welcome, I'm Jessica. I'm going to share 3 gray hair transition tips to help make your transition easier. I have created other videos just like this, so I'll post the links down in the description box so that way you can check them out later. Gray hair is drier than hair with pigment. The reason for this is because our scalps produce less oil. So we need to do a little extra work to moisturize and hydrate our hair. A few ways you can do this is by either doing hot oil treatments or deep conditioning treatments, or using a hair mask. Do that every week. If you want, you can alternate, switch it up a little. You also want to use a leave-in conditioner. As each month goes by, your hair color is going to start to fade. And when this happens, your hair will most likely start to turn brassy. So use a purple shampoo and conditioner or a blue shampoo and conditioner to help with the brassiness. Purple shampoo neutralizes yellow tones. Purple conditioner also neutralizes yellow tones, but it has the added benefit of nourishing and hydrating your hair. I used the purple shampoo and conditioner during my transition and it worked really well for me. I was really happy with the results. It helped tone down the brassiness and it brightened up my gray hair. Blue shampoo neutralizes orange tones, and the blue conditioner also neutralizes orange tones and nourishes and hydrates your hair. Blue shampoo is designed for brunette hair. So if you have blonde hair, you don't want to use it because it could possibly turn your hair green. The same goes for gray. Apply the blue shampoo and conditioner to your dyed hair, not the gray hair. If your gray hair has yellow tones in it, the blue shampoo and conditioner will most likely turn your gray hair green. So just keep that in mind if you decide to use blue shampoo and conditioner. Your hairstylist is an important part of your gray hair transition. He or she should be experienced in working with gray hair. Your stylist should be able to offer gray hair advice and help you create a going gray plan. So if later on you decide to get highlights or lowlights and your hairstylist does not have that experience with working with gray hair, it could turn into a disaster and you may have to start all over. I've heard stories like this happening. Make sure that they know what they're doing when it comes to gray hair. It's not the same as with working with hair that has color in it. The same goes for a cut. If you decide that you want to cut your hair into a short pixie or get a really short cut, make sure that your hairstylist knows how to give a good short haircut. Because if they end up butchering your hair, it's going to take months to grow that out. I was lucky in that I had a really great hairstylist and she gave me a beautiful haircut. I enjoyed the whole process of growing my hair out because she did such an excellent job. So experience in hair cutting and hair techniques are a must when it comes to transitioning to gray hair. Your hairstylist should be supportive and not criticize. So if your hairstylist does not have the experience or isn't supportive of your transition to gray hair, I suggest that you find somebody else who is. It's gonna make your transition a lot more enjoyable. I hope these tips were helpful and I wish you the best in your transition. Thank you so much for watching and joining me. If you liked this video and would like to see more and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!